Lordship, I'm also a party in that.
There also.
I'm a party there also, Your Lordship.
What is the direction you're seeking?
Lordship, I'm wanting the CCTV footage of the day, the entire day in the court, because in my absence, Your Lordship, the witness evidences were taken by the court.
What does the order sheet? There is no evidence to be brought in. What does the order sheet show?
Lordship, I had filed an I filed the RTI stating that I want the CCTV footage of that court, and there was a person unknown.
You see,
there was also, Lordship, there was also an unknown person in the ground floor who was staring at me with vengeance on the same day when this entire incident happened, and it was in the entrance of the court hall, and he's just standing behind, just standing before, and I was walking like this, and he's constantly staring me from here to there, and I was on a call, and I was just seeing.
Did he make any contact with you?
No, he didn't, but he was constantly staring with vengeance. But these things are happening constantly with me in High Court also. This happened in 2023, Your Lordship, when I was, and you see in petition 22-320, three judges have ordered in my favor.
So what are you seeking in this?
Lordship, here I want in this IA, I want the CCTV footage, because they are saying in the RTI, they've rejected my RTI stating that Pradyumna Virud.
No, CCTV footage is not to be provided to anybody.
Without High Court permission. So I want the CCTV footage to prove that there was a bias by the.
No, where is the question of bias?
Lordship,
Ms. Bharti, please understand one thing.
Lordship.
You see, during court proceedings.
Lordship, she's saying God will punish me. The judge is telling in the court hall that the God will punish me for prosecuting land grabbers in the court in UNCR 1661, and she is telling hostile witness Kalavati and Harvati that don't worry, you will be protected. They are telling you please dismiss. Lordship,
we don't know what is the truth.
I can prove this with the CCTV footage.
We don't know what is the truth in your allegation.
Lordship.
But do you think God will listen to persons like this?
No, Lordship.
Then why
courts are running on the basis of God's blessings and God's.
Then why are you concerned?
No, Lordship, I can prove this. I can prove.
What in this petition? What is it you are seeking?
Lordship, not in this petition alone. I'm just talking about one IA.
One petition we've summoned the record.
Lordship.
In the other, what are you seeking? Lordship. CCTV footage can't be provided because CCTV footage records several proceedings of other cases, Lordship, which is confidential. We can't.
Lordship, then I'll give you specific timings of the day when I was.
If it is available, we'll call for it. If there is something substance Lordship, in what you are saying.
RTI, if I have filed, they are supposed to secure and keep the footage.
What is
they just need High Court order.
What is the allegation?
Allegation is that the court is biased. She's made up her mind that she's going to dismiss.
Judges changed or still the same?
This case is a different case, Your Lordship. This is not that.
That case is over. In this case, is the judge still the same or judge is
She's still the same, and I have even requested to transfer this case to the CJM court. Prayer number 3, Your Lordship.
Have you filed any transfer application?
Lordship, I'm asking in this petition.
No, you can't ask in an application. There is a section 24 application.
Application before CJM first.
Lordship.
File an appropriate application.
Because CJM can transfer.
Lordship, when I'm having such grave allegations that the judge is biased and she's passing such comments, and she's recording something which the witness is not told.
The remedy is available, but we are filing the transfer application.
Is also available, but I also have because
petition. Not in this petition, because you may file the transfer application before CJM.
Lordship.
Section was 410.
Lordship.
And thereafter you will file the transfer application before Sessions Judge. And
Lordship, because there was same Judge Hemlata.
Transfer application before High Court, but not as a writ.
Lordship. The same Judge Hemlata Ahirwar, I had gone to CJM court asking for a transfer petition in UNCR 1656. That was a matter of forgery. I had asked, and CJM court, so the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court mentioned that there is no need for. I mentioned if the Chief Judicial Magistrate does not hear the matter, the case will be dismissed.
If you are
in favor of the advocate's intention.
By CJM,
Lordship.
That
was a different case, Your Lordship. That was a different case. This is a different case.
You can't directly jump to the High Court.
Lordship, because I'm having this
No, because-
writ petition stating that there is bias.
Statutory provisions are there.
Lordship, because I have come here, interference in administration of justice. So when there is abuse of process of court, contempt of court, your Lordship.
Powers, there are the powers with the CJI.
At least I get the CCTV footage, I can prove my
Ms. Bharti, please tell us
allegations.
what transpired that you say is,
Lordship, I did not harass the,
we are not asking that.
witness. That day, the judge is saying that, constantly the advocate is harassing me, constantly
Where is
asking
that
me
order
question.
sheet? Where is that order sheet?
Lordship, I will bring that order
Here
sheet.
you made bar council as a party. How is bar council concerned with all this?
Lordship, this case is just not about this IA which I'm talking about, your Lordship. This case is about the
What is the
advocates.
case about? IA can't be beyond the case.
No, IA is one part of, it's just about one
So
case.
what is
but
the case about?
The case, Lordship, is about the advocates who are trying to harass me and who are not allowing, who's doing interference in administration of justice. And your Lordship told me that, if I'm able to bring evidences as to how they are interfering in administration of justice, your Lordship,
Show us how.
Lordship, and threat to life. Lordship, I was just preparing the same thing, your Lordship. I was preparing an IA and I have all evidences. I was just taking photocopies to ensure that I
File
file it
whatever
before.
you want to file then.
Your Lordship. But Lordship, I just want the CCTV footage to be given so I can prove that, the judge is saying that he became a sadhu. Why does he want property? And her sister in the court hall is telling, what will he do with so much of property? This is
Dispute is
recorded.
between family members.
Yes, your Lordship, but between siblings.
It's a civil dispute.
No, but there is a land grabbing act done by his elder brother in which the sisters have come only to give their witness.
No, but then how do you maintain a petition in your own name? Are you a party in those proceedings?
Lordship, because she's putting allegations on me that the judge is writing in the
Ms. Bharti.
statement that I have not troubled anybody.
Ms.
She's
Bharti, one is an issue arising out of list between two private individuals.
Lordship.
This is a petition filed by an advocate, not in a personal capacity,
Because it is affecting.
but as an advocate who was representing a litigant.
Lordship.
The scope of transfer, etc., of those proceedings will be raised by the parties there.
Lordship.
You can't, as an advocate, seek transfer of a case of your client. You show us in this case what is your concern
Lordship,
and what
threat
is
to
your
life,
issue.
threat to life. I have filed two complaints to DGP office on 2nd of March before.
Alleging what?
Alleging that one Jamna Prasad, respondent 3, has on in the month of January when I was in Bangalore, was discussing that this advocate is the cause of the entire property litigation. Otherwise, we would have won this case. And she is pure Chamaran, or because of her, she is only writing. My brother is not doing anything, and I don't know what to do. That he was talking like this to one person by name
No, so what is the complaint?
Lordship, and they are discussing that we should circulate her number to multiple builders, like 10-15 builders, call her to the village through the builders to show the land. My client has some land without undisputed land. Call her there and then usko उलझाओ, उसके ऊपर मारपीट करो या उसको खींचातानी करो, and so that she leaves the case and runs away from
Where is
Bhopal.
that complaint?
Lordship, that's what I was trying to take photocopies and bring it before your Lordship, before the argument. So that's the reason I was not in the court hall, your Lordship. And probably on 7th when I'm there, before that I will file and your Lordship can see.
down.
Yeah, but I have the photocopy in case your Lordship wants to see.
No,
At
but
least
you see, there has to be.
these things are.
Problem is you got emotionally attached to your client and the case.
Lordship,
That is why you're losing that sort of objectiveness.
Lordship,
As a counsel, other petition, of course, you pointed out, we'd summoned the record.
Lordship,
Here there are two issues. One is what is happening to the legal proceedings. For that, in the name of your client, whatever proceedings you need to initiate.
Lordship.
If you as a counsel are being harassed, threatened,
Yes, your Lordship, that is the complaint.
separate remedy, separate
The police.
procedure. When you talk of this aspect, you bring in that aspect. That is why we mentioned that you're probably getting emotionally connected with
Not
the
at all,
matter.
Your Lordship, because I was falsely prosecuted in this
Ms.
case.
Bharti,
Yes, Your
in
Lordship.
case as a counsel
Lordship,
and an advocate, you are being prevented from discharging your duties,
Lordship,
please mention it differently, separately, action will be taken,
Lordship.
if there is anything.
Then these
Litigant client is concerned, separate proceedings, separate remedy, objectively separate both and address it, and we'll deal it accordingly.
Lordship, even the villagers are telling me you leave because here even for 10,000, 15,000, they are ready to kill anybody. And these people will
Please don't
hire
make-
and
Bharti, please don't
Respondent
make
30
general,
himself.
please don't make general observations, because
have-
everything,
he's
everything
come to
here
the
is,
court and-
Ms. Bharti, everything here is live streamed.
Lordship,
Please don't make general observations unless you are able to substantiate.
Lordship.
File, we
I'm
will
giving-
adjourn this matter to the 7th, 7th is the date. Whatever you need to do, separate both the issues, bring them and we'll deal with them separately. We will not accept any counsel being harassed,
Lordship,
irrespective of gender, in the court, if the
Irrespective of-
counsel wants to discharge the duties to represent a client.
Lordship.
That we will not accept. Please
Which
separate
is happening
both,
to me, Your Lordship.
separate emotions and the
No, I
facts.
am not, Your Lordship. I am not at all connected, Your
You
Lordship.
see, your entire argument in this petition was transfer, which has got
Not
nothing to.
entire. My intention was also biased. She's trying to put allegations on me that I'm troubling the Sakshigan. I'm not doing anything of that
That
sort.
is-
I told I will
again,
take the CCTV
that
footage,
goes-
write whatever you
Ms.
want.
Bharti, that goes to the, that is connected with the factual matrix of your client's case. Please
Lordship, but she's
separate
putting,
that.
Adhivakta is harassing. It is amounting to, no, allegations against me, Your Lordship. I told them, Madam, you write whatever you want, I'm going to take CCTV
So
footage.
then, the relief that you are seeking, you are impleading the Bar Council. What has the judge got to do with Bar Council?
Lordship,
National Human Rights Commission.
Lordship, I'm going to give you
That's
the.
why we are saying please-
I'll give the complaint to Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh.
We are not.
And bring
you
it
may
before.
do, you may do what you
Lordship.
seem is appropriate.
Lordship.
Before
And bring
us.
it before the court.
Before us, please separate
But I have-
the two issues and bring them on the 7th. We'll deal with them.
Lordship, may at least order for the CCTV footage. Your Lordship, they are not
We
going to
can't
give.
supply CCTV footage to you because during the day, several proceedings of confidential nature take place before court. CCTV footage can't be
Then
supplied.
how
to
do I
you.
prove that, these advocates have gone
you-
behind me
If
and
you are
got the-
able to substantiate something before us and CCTV footage is available, we can always view it. We can always view it, we can't supply a copy.
Lordship, in that case, the court may record me my submissions that I was there by, I think, 12 o'clock. I finished one witness evidence and I left the court. Till then, nobody had come. I signed the next date of hearing. I wrote the date. I checked with the judge. After that, after 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, whatever transpired, Your Lordship may see the footage and.
On what date?
On 10th of February 2026. And
एक
the.
अलग से नोट कर लेना 10th February 20 इसमें ऑर्डर शीट में नहीं 10th February 2026 12 to 3 p.m.
12.
ये उनसे वेरीफाई करवाइएगा whether CCTV footage is available or not.
It is available, they are just telling that, because if without the High Court order, they cannot supply the CCTV footage, Your Lordship.
We first want to ascertain whether it is there or not. If
It
it's
is
there,
It is there, therefore they are saying
We
that
don't-
without High Court order,
you
we
see,
cannot.
we
do.
don't know.
Lordship, I have this, this is the photocopy. I was
anyways, if it is there, it is there. If
It
it's
is
not,
there.
it's not. Then we'll see. You address your arguments on the next date, separating both the issues. Then we'll consider what to do with the CCTV footage, whether we need to see it, show it to you, whatever, we'll see.
Lordship,